I'm tired of it. We are coming.
Okay, are we ready to go?
Yes, we are.
We call this Lesaitis zabokaju. The common name is monkey pot or monkey nut. It's a tree that bears a pot. Monkey pot. P-O-T. Monkey pot or monkey nut. It's a tree that bears a pot with a lid like that.
So it goes like this?
It usually springs up like this on the tree. During its maturity stage, they turn upside down like that, facing downwards. And then during its season, the season is late July to late October. Through an explosive mechanism, usually when this place is quiet, we hear boom, and then it drops. So we'll go and see those trees.
Okay.
These ones are also called Brazilian nut. Brazilian nut. Betolitia excelsa. And that one will bother you. So this is Brazilian nut. They are also very healthy. They've got some husk on them like coconut.
Right.
But it's very hard to crack. They are very expensive. When you go to the mall, I think about 6 in the park is being sold like $30 or so. Because out of all plant science has done research on, Brazilian nut is the nut with the highest amount of omega-3 fatty acid.
So what's this like?
They are not in. Yeah, they are edible directly. It's very nice. Well, when we come back, ask of it and I'll just get you some to try. Okay, I think any question here, then we go. Okay, do you want more tree? Do you want more tree?
Yes, we are sort of in a haze, but
When Adam was little, what made something like this?
Somebody should push them.
Where's the snake?
Hey!
No, there's 3 trees. This is Cyber Pantedra. Local name, Onyina. Local name is what? Onyina. This is Trichilia tasmani. The local name is Tenru. Tenru. We are right here standing in front of the oldest Peptadeniastrum africanum in Africa. The oldest Peptadeniastrum africanum in Africa. It is 205 years of age. 205.
Instead of this.
Mama.
Oh, you guys.
Now, is it pipped?
Hey, is it what?
The one at the breeze, is it pipped? Yeah, the common name is African oak.
It's like that would be and the grasses were so long. They'll go out, they'll get missing.
Is it something in the tall grass or something?
Yeah, so.
Okay, so we had to alight and we are walking. We don't know where we are going, but we're trusting Google Map. Let's hope Google Map doesn't take us somewhere where we're supposed to go. On our way to the waterfall. Oh, let me just put this out there. Entry was 20 cedis per person.
Hey, it wasn't 20 cedis.
Yeah, it's 20 cedis, but you can negotiate if you are like a large group. I don't know if you can hear the sound of the waterfall, but I can, and I'm so excited.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am in Accra. No, this is not Accra. Where are we?
Me, I don't post. I'll post today. I mean tomorrow.
So
Oboadaka.
today, I am in Oboadaka in Ghana. In Ghana, those of you know, I'm on a trip to Ghana since now. I'm exploring the world.
What the hell's wrong with this girl?
Waterfall. I must say, Ghana is a beautiful place. Anytime you get a chance, please do try visit Ghana. I'm gonna miss Ghana so much.
Yes, we are all really enjoying ourselves. Yeah.
Ghana is a very beautiful
Ghana.
Ghana is very beautiful. When you come here, you enjoy it. You enjoy life to Ghana, guys. Guys, just visit.
Come to Ghana,
I really
guys.
said Ghana. This one.
End of video. Thank you for watching. I'll come back next time.
Peace out.
Bye.
Bye.
Chidera, I say bye.
You know, as you can see,
Bye.
I'm a very non-Ghanaian.
Yeah.
My hair.
Oh, but she has
Ghana-
very pretty hair.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Ghana is treating her hair well. Okay.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.